Alright, we're going to be replacing the battery for this 2016 Volkswagen Jetta. So we're going to be starting off by taking out the negative over here. Just loosen them up for now. Then go for this one. Take out the negative and then the positive. Make sure they're somewhere where they're not going to be touching anything. And now we're going to be grabbing our socket for this one. So let me grab my socket. Alright then. We're going to be using a 13mm to take it out. Grab the bracket. Put them somewhere where you won't be bothered or where you won't be moving around. Grab the battery, pull it out. Now what you'll be doing next is you'll be grabbing your new battery in the back, putting it in. Make sure it sits flushed. Grab your bracket holder. Install it, and now that that's in, went ahead and installed the positive. When it comes to installing the negative, there's a high chance that it will spark up, so be wary of that. Now, let's go on ahead, switch over to the 10mm. And install that lightly for now. Alright. We're going to take a look and make sure it's actually sealed. Alright. Now what I'm going to do, we're going to grab a wrench. I'm just going to give it a small snug. Do a pull test, up and down. And that's how you know it's seated, and that's how you do your battery replacement.